Hello, I am Marco Brambilla. I am a professor at Politecnico di Milano, where I lead the data science lab. In our research group, we work on gamification, crowdsourcing, and social media analysis over big data and large-scale data sets. In the context of the PERISCOPE project, our group, which is composed by professors, researchers, PhD students, and postdocs, works on understanding the behavior and opinions of people, and also in trying to devise possible solutions that are acceptable to people in the context of the pandemic. To this aim, we work on three main pillars in the project. First one is the development of a tool that applies gamification and crowdsourcing solutions. Essentially, the idea is that of using games to bring people on board, make them engage with the problems we want to face, and asking them to share their opinion, their feelings, their perspectives and visions for the future. This tool, that is called Cocteau, is actually a mobile application and web application that people can use for playing different games, including quizzes, photo sharing, gig show puzzles, and other things like this, for contributing to a knowledge base related to the pandemic. Our main purpose here is, again, to understand the perspective and feeling of the people. To do so, we ask people then to play one against each other, to understand each other, to share their feelings, to reach a common goal and a common vision. This is based on the concept and attitude of the empathy that people put when interacting with other people, which is a very important element for creating common goals and common understandings. The second pillar we provide is that of social media analytics solutions. We use that for understanding the opinion of the people and also for collecting and sharing analysis about specific topics related to the pandemic and how these are discussed on social networks. For instance, we have been studying how people talk about vaccination and also what people share about vaccination on social networks. For instance, which news are shared or not, and whether fake news are shared or not, including any kind of disinformation and misinformation strategies that different actors play in the picture. We, for instance, relate these disinformation trends with actual behavior of the population, and we try to understand whether disinformation is related to, for instance, vaccination hesitancy in the population. The third pillar is that of a tool that is a search engine and knowledge base of the entire knowledge generated by the project. This tool is called Perseus. It's a platform where you can go and find any kind of resource, papers, tools, software, data sets, also links to external resources that are related to the project, and then can make a common and valuable resource for fighting the pandemic. So, as you can see, our purpose is that of applying digital solutions, IT solutions, to the pandemic context. I must say that on the other side, as a computer scientist, we also faced the fatigue of moving our everyday life to fully digital. And so, exactly as anyone else, I must say, we are definitely bored and can't survive much longer with a lot of hours of teleconferences, video conferences, and only digital interactions. So, in a way, even though we are computer scientists, we look forward to go back to natural and in-presence interactions and collaborations. So looking forward also to your collaborations, and thanks for listening.